What's going on, everybody? Don here from A Walk Through Life. Today I am in Houston, Missouri, and I'm doing the Brushy Creek trail, which the trail I'm on is only about 3/4 of a mile, but it lines the Brushy Creek. So I've already missed a groundhog and a buzzard, so decided to turn my camera on to see what else we can find. Come with me, we'll find out. Big old buzzard. And he just brought his friend, if I can find. There he is. All right, well, let's continue on. I decided to stop again because he turned around. Yeah, I figured maybe he's gonna bolt. A little further. Give the size comparison here. Oh, there you go. There's my hand. Oh, that's a big bird. It's quite pretty. I don't know if you can see it down there or not, but there are some fish sitting down there swimming. A big old water bug. Awesome. Alright, I'm going to turn my camera off and I will turn it back on if I see something. Well guys, if I would have kept my camera on, you guys would have been here for about an extra minute before I hit the end of the trail. I thought it was going to be a little bit longer. 7/10 of a mile kind of flew. But it's a pretty little trail. It is not bad. Especially if you get down by the water, then you can see the bluffs and the water coming down. It's really pretty. But I found a place that I'm gonna walk. It's at Emmett Kelly Park, and there's a tunnel that kind of follows the creek, and foreshadowing, totally gonna walk through the tunnel. So if I see anything interesting on my way back to that point, I'll turn my camera on and I'll show you guys, but if not, I'll see you in the tunnels. All right, you guys, I'm in the tunnel, and it's about, I don't know, 100 feet long, but there's two tunnels, so I'm gonna walk down this one and walk back up the other one and see if we can find anything on the walls or swimming in this little creek. So let's do it. Yes, I am literally walking through water right now. Oh, that's a little chilly. That's all right though. The clowns will kill your town. Good to know. Clown. Death to all who oppose clowns. Hey. It's not too often I actually have to duck. Yep, got a little deep. Bunch of little fishes. All right. Gonna make the turn. The waterfall. Bunch of them right there. Cheers, everybody. Oh, I get wet shoes. That's all right. Try my best. Clown Town. Okay. And I just found sick. There we go. A rubber duck. That was kind of fun. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode, and if you would, give me a like, share, and subscribe, or send a comment about different places in Missouri that I could possibly go and hike or just walk around. But thanks for watching.